What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Metamaterials update, and lots to get to today. Started off, oh my god, I almost called out of work today because I was so excited to just watch this chart today. Good thing I didn't, because we started off the day at $5.55 and then since have come crashing back down to earth, down, let's see, over $1.20 from the high of the day. Oh, Jesus. High of the day was $5.79. I stand corrected. Down $1.50 from the high of the day. Let's see. RSI right now is sitting at 42.05, and MACDs are looking slightly bearish, but we're still up huge today, up 23 cents and 5.57%. That little pump up to 5.79 was pretty nice, although it was fairly short-lived. And look at the volume today. This is ridiculous. 77 million shares traded so far today, which is absolutely insane. We haven't seen volume like this in quite a long time here. All right, let's go over to Fintel. Fintel is getting pretty crazy here. So the days to cover is about the same at 1.49 days to cover. Short interest percentage of the float, again, hovering around 8.42%. And this morning, pre-market, 0 shares available to short. Probably why this thing shot up. Right now we're looking at 150K from an hour ago, and that short ball fee rate is sitting right around 2. We were up to a high of 4.55 on Thursday, and then we've been kind of hovering back around 2, mid-2s, low 2s. All right, we have one institutional buy so far for today. Bridge Builders Small and Mid Cap Growth Fund picked up 22,660 at 170K in market value. All right, going over to the Naked Short report. Here we can see the data for Friday. I'm very interested to see what the data is going to be for today when I look at it tomorrow, because I'm sure it's going to be pretty wild here. The percentage of the volume that is shorted is, again, staying down from the highs of the high 50s to low 60s, but the short volume, again, volume has been pretty high the last couple of days, which is excellent. We still had 5.18 million shares shorted on Friday, and with that we are still able to climb quite a bit. All right, we're going to head over to the options chain here, because quite a few more options in the money as of today. So we got 13,188 options in the money at the $4 strike price. Hopefully we don't hit $8 by September 17th, because I am selling 19 contracts at the $8 strike price, trying to pick up a couple extra $100. So hopefully we stay below that. Not too much below that. We'll see though. So I do like free money. I don't want to have to do anything for it. Look what we have here. Good God. Almost 42 million shares traded on the dark pool today. That is absolutely mind-boggling here. 56.1% of all of the volume was on the dark pool. I would imagine that after this big pump to start the day, the shorts were selling on the open exchange and then buying back on the dark pool to try to drive the price down. It's just my opinion. Here we go. We got one more thing to get to. First, we got a word from the sponsor, ETHbets.org. Join ETH Bet Sportsbook today and receive a 50% welcome bonus up to $500. And they do accept all major cryptocurrencies, as well as over 20 ERC and BSC based tokens. They take Shiba, SafeMoon, Doge. Here's an extensive list, and if you don't see your favorite token on the list, you can email them to see if they will accept your preferred token for deposit. And all you got to do to create an account is fill your email and your desired token for deposit. They will set up your account before you actually deposit, so once the funds are in their wallet, you'll be good to start betting. We got one bet going off for today. I'm liking the Cincinnati Reds over the St. Louis Cardinals. Cardinals, throwing 55 to win 25. I will lay that juice all day, and we are good to go. So we got some more stuff here from Chunky DD. I went over some of this regarding Nanotech, and he found a bunch of money in the latest financial report from Nanotech Security. It is not just a bit, but a lot. And where he found the money is important because it is not forward-looking, but rather in an audited document. Nanotech Security has already scaled up. They're making a move into some other market. It's a big move because every one of the machines they bought are in the tens of millions of dollars, and custom orders, not something you buy at Home Depot. And they made videos of them setting it up months ago, and they look like they are ready to pop. So he's wondering why there's not a bigger reaction in the market, and the answer is simple. Not very many people know about it, and that presents an opportunity to take advantage of retail ignorance and shake out the weaker hands. That's why we're sharing this. All right, so we already got to some of this. So we covered these numbers before. This equates out to $10 million in additional revenue. But I wanted to get to a little bit on the roll-to-roll and the EBL lithography system. Nanotech makes the Lumichrome film at its highly secure production facility in Thurso, Quebec. The company uses 2 large roll-to-roll optical thin film deposition coaters. By operating up to 4 separate deposition zones simultaneously, Nanotech can produce over 250,000 square meters of film per month on that roll-to-roll. This is something that MMAT has been trying to get into for some time now. And we have one more thing here. Nanotech announces significant investment in JEOL EBL lithography system. So Nanotech is a leading innovator in research, creation, and production of nano-optic structures and the color-shifting materials used in authentication and brand enhancement. Announces it has made a significant investment in the acquisition of a JBX dual electron beam lithography system valued at over $4.4 million. Nanotech was able to acquire the system at a significant discount by being the first private sector company in Canada to make such an investment. That is huge for us, guys. Operated by Nanotech's proprietary algorithms, the dual EBL will enable the company to fabricate more advanced nanostructures with even higher resolution and contrast, and the potential to generate image sizes up to 9 times larger, with production estimated to be up to 10 times faster than the company's current capabilities. This investment represents the progression and execution of Nanotech's growth strategy on multiple fronts. It allows the company to enhance its product offering and expand development capabilities with its existing banknote customers, as well as opens up a considerable range of offerings in the tax stamp and packaging markets. The dual EBL accelerates and enhances Nanotech's research, development, and production in existing and emerging markets, said Nanotech CEO Doug Blakeway. It establishes Nanotech as the nucleus for excellence in nano-optics for authentication and brand enhancement. Nanotech's strong relationship with 4D Labs and Simon Fraser University enabled the company to house the dual EBL within their 75 square foot state-of-the-art Class 100 clean room. Access to Nanotech's dual EBL system establishes us as the first university in Western Canada to have this capability, said 4D Labs director Neil Branda. It allows us to be seen as a world-class facility with leading-edge program capabilities in advanced nanoscale design and development. Yes, love it. This is going to be huge for us, and the reason I took September, I'm selling September calls instead of October calls is because I think we're probably going to be trading under $8 in the next couple of weeks, but I am not too sure about that for the October 15th calls. I mean, we could be well above $8 by then. So that is pretty much going to do it for this one, guys. As always, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.